This short video will help you navigate around the Honeywell Aerospace portal and search the knowledge database for solutions that can provide hints and tips and background on our products and services. My name is Ian Morgan, and I am one of our field service engineers here at Honeywell Aerospace. We start by logging on to the Aerospace portal using your individual username and password. There are many things that you can look for on the portal, including technical publications, orders for parts and repairs, and software downloads. New features are being added all the time. Today we are going to be focusing on the technical knowledge database and searching through the thousands of solutions located there to find the information we need. There are solutions available covering all of Honeywell's aerospace products. We begin our search by clicking on the Technical Support button, which should be here on the shortcut bar. If it's not there, then you can add it by clicking on the Manage Shortcuts link and then add in the button Curate Available Shortcut icons. When you're done, just simply save and close. Alternatively, head up here to Services and Support. Then Support and Technical Support. This will take you to the exact same location. Once you're in the technical support environment, you can now browse the areas of interest. You can browse by aircraft, by product, or by ATA chapter. If you're looking for something specific, then you can search for it using some simple keywords. For example, I am looking for a solution for my Boeing 737, as it has been parked in storage for a while, and I know that there is an inspection that I need to carry out to the check valve before return to service. If I know the part number for the check valve, then entering it in the search alongside the word corrosion would be a good choice. But if I don't have the part number, I can still search on my keyword. There might be a large number of suggestions that come up from that search. I can narrow my search by selecting the aircraft. For example, the manufacturer I know is Boeing, and the aircraft type is a 737NG. Multiple types are permitted, and I could also select the -800. Scrolling through the list of solutions, I can use the preview to identify the one I think will help me. I can then open it by clicking on the title. Once I've verified that this is the solution I need, I can download it or print it off. This is a very simple operation and can enable you to store the solution locally on your computer or transfer it onto a tablet to take onto the aircraft. There's a drop down here for the destination, which defaults to PDF, but you can also select a printer if you have one connected. Once the solution is loaded into the preview window, you can then save it or print it as required. Please note that solutions are not authorized documents in the same way as aircraft or component manuals, and they are provided as a means of supplying assistance and additional information. Please read the disclaimer, which accompanies each solution for further information. If this is not the solution or information that you are seeking, or if you are thinking that there could be further related solutions, then you can easily return to the search in the original tab to see what else is available. Scroll through the solutions, or enter some new keywords to your search, such as the part number, which I now know as 320-2222. I'll clear my filters, and then I can see all the solutions that are associated with that part number. And again, I can look at the previews to see which one I'm likely to be interested in. You can also quickly look up new topics. Perhaps I also have an Airbus A380 in my fleet, and I want to order a new filter for one of my wing anti-ice valves. I can see the filter part listed in the valve CMM, but I recall that there is something additional that I need to remember when changing this part. I can search for anti-ice. And narrow my search for the A380. When I see the solution that looks the most promising, I can open it as before. This time you can see there's an additional attachment here. This could be an image or a supplementary document. Images can also be embedded into the main body of the solution. Attachments can be downloaded or printed off in the same way as the solution itself. This concludes the demonstration. We are adding to our technical knowledge database all the time with new solutions daily. It's worth checking back often for updates. For further information or assistance, contact your field service engineer or customer support representative, or send an email to aerotechsupport@honeywell.com. Thank you for watching this introduction to our technical knowledge-based solutions. I hope it has been helpful and informative.